Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Bob Marley's music is on the rise. Marley's discography has experienced a spike in the first 3 months of the year, reportedly accumulating over 1 billion streams around the world. The spike can be connected to music lovers' need for uplifting music during the COVID-19 pandemic, as well as the connection Marley's songs like Burning and Looting and War has with the global impact of current racial unrest and social injustices. Meanwhile, Marley's album Legend is the second longest charting album in chart history, coming in at number 35 this week on the Billboard 200 in its 631st week on the tally. Currently, the extension of that record, Legend, the best of Bob Marley and the Wailers, is ranked at number 1 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart for 24 consecutive weeks. Now, in more Marley news, Cedella Marley, Bob Marley's daughter, will release a new book in honor of her father and his iconic track, Redemption Song. The book, titled Redemption, Reflections on Creative 1980, and appeared on the Bob Marley and the Wailers' 12th studio album called Uprising. Cedella Marley's new book, Redemption Collections of Creating a Better World, will be available in September. Now to news overseas, where pop star Rihanna's Anti album is now the longest charting album by a black female artist in the history of the Billboard 200 chart. Released back in 2016, Anti has since gone 3 times platinum in America. The breakout lead single, Work, 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 featuring Drake, helped Riri break the Beatles' record for the total number of weeks spent at number 1 in the United States. The singer's 8th studio album currently sits at the number 189th spot on the Billboard 200 chart, spending a whopping 224 consecutive weeks on the charts. That's it for E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.